you are not able to give the answer of the particular question, then question will pass and you lose your chance. And second team will give the correct answer, then 5 marks as a bonus marks. And again I will ask the second question for the particular team. Right? So I repeat all the instructions. In general round, I ask 4 questions in order. First question from the team A. If team A is not able to give the answer, then question will pass for the team B. And question B, if the team B will give the correct answer, then 5 marks for the bonus. And the next question will ask from the team B also. So you have an option. You can wait for the PPT. Quiz outline, first round, second, third and fourth. Now next side to the general round and the question number 1. Kindly present the question number 1. Question number 1 is पीतांबर शब्द में कौन सा समास है? And your options are कर्मधारय, for the 1 minute. And any guesses, audience, which option is right in this question? Now, kindly say the answer. To be in school and your options are कर्मधारय समास, बहुव्रीहि समास, तत्पुरुष समास, अव्ययीभाव समास. Kindly count the time. Any guesses from the audience? Which answer is right? Kindly play the answer. The answer is बहुव्रीहि समास and your answer is wrong. And kindly play the answer of this question. The right answer is photosynthesis. The next question from the team B. Who was the founder of Maurya Empire? Audience.
Do not speak the answer, please. What is this? Yeah, but.
So option A.
Now the team B opens the account with 10 marks. And the question for the team C. Which river Ganga is the who is popularly known as Loknayak? And your time is going on, so within a particular time, your answer is option A. See the answer. Answer is Jayaprakash Narayan. So you will lose the marks. Now after the question number 8, what is the score of team A? And now the score of team B is 20 marks. And the question number next for the team number C. Who was the first man to walk on the moon?
Option D.
Can we play the answer of this one? And the right answer is Neil Armstrong. Buzzer round, not the team A. This is only the which city is the capital of Australia. answer is also right. The answer is Canberra. So kindly add 10 marks for the team C. Now the question number 2. Name the component of blood that fights infection. Second, this chance for the team B. The answer is WBC and B will also score 10 marks. Now the question number 3. What is the basic unit of light? Yellow.
Option D, sir.
Option D. Ma'am is also watching which light is glowing fast because the speed of light is more than the lights. You know? That's why ma'am is watching. So team C, kindly give the answer of this one. Answer is cell. Add 10 marks for the team C. Now the question number 4. What is the scientific term for the study of the structure of the living organism? Green. This is the chance for the team D. Speed is mine. Kindly play the answer. Red. Team A.
Transpiration, option C.
Play the answer. Yes, the right answer is Team A, red again.
Option A.
Option A, please play the answer. The right answer is also 1917. Yes. So before pressing the button, you think your answer. Now play the next question. Red. Again the chance for the red.
Charles Darwin, option A.
Answer is right, Charles Darwin. Now the next question. The chance is for the yellow. Team yellow, C.
Transportation.
This answer is also right. Candidates, we have in the valuable form. Yes, correct answer. जिस प्राथमिक कार्य होने की संदेह या संभावना का बोध हो तो वहाँ कौन सा वाक्य होगा? What is the scientific term for the study of the structure of matter and the properties of energy? Pass. What is the term for the force that oppose motion between two surfaces? Right answer. What is the general equation of a linear equation of two variables?
Ax plus by plus c is equal to 6.
Right answer. What is the shortcut of the print command of the computer? What is the full form of the HTML?
Hypertext mail transfer.
No, wrong answer.
कौन से सर पीछे?
No. Question will not repeat. And the last question, which type of motion is characterized by the constant speed and direction?
Uniform motion.
The answer is right. Which scientist is credited with the discovery of gravity?
Isaac Newton.
Correct answer. काली घटा का घमंड घटा में कौन सा अलंकार है? Correct answer. Which type of energy is associated with an object's motion?
Kinetic energy.
Right answer. Which force pulls the object towards the earth?
Gravitation.
Right. What is the sum of the all exterior angles of a regular polygon? Correct answer. What is the shortly of paste command in computer? What is the full form of SMS?
Sent message service.
Wrong. Who is credited with the discovery कौन?
J.J. Thomson.
Right answer.
36 seconds. 36 seconds.
I will ask 8 questions. You give the answer. If you don't know the answer, then you can say pass. If you give the wrong answer, then you 5 marks differ. Your time starts. Question 1. What is the unit of the measurement for the energy in the international system of units? Who developed the laws of the motion that describe how objects move and respond to the forces?
Isaac Newton.
राइट आंसर. पुराण शब्द में एक प्रत्यय लगाने पर कौन सा शब्द बनता है?
पुराणे.
या आंसर राइट. व्हाट इज द फंडामेंटल फोर्स ऑफ नेचर दैट कॉजेज ऑब्जेक्ट टू अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर?
Gravitation.
राइट. व्हाट इज द सिंबल फॉर गोल्ड ऑन द पीरियोडिक टेबल?
A.
राइट आंसर. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ एमएमएस?
Multimedia service.
यस. व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ ऑल इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ अ रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन? Now your time starts now. Which country is the most popular in the world? 4 चंद की चंद्रले खेल रही है. जलथल में कौन सा अलंकार है? Speak in mind. Distance on the point 5,6 from y-axis. Which element is the lightest in the periodic table? What is the rule? What is the full form of RAM in the computer? Right answer. What is the value of small z? Who is the known as the father of computer? Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? Identify the image. The time is 30 seconds.
We wanted Neymar.
This is question from team A, not the team B. This is only for team A. No pass question. Give 0 marks. And now this is a question from team B. Can you play the next image?
It is silence. हाँ, ये क्या बात है? क्लास में जाना है?
And you play the answer of this image. This is the famous mathematician of the South India, Radhakrishnan Rao, and the short name is C.R. Rao. You can Google of the C.R. Rao. This is also the modern mathematics scientist in the physics. Now the question number next for the team C.
Sir, it is Aryabhat. Sir, it is Aryabhat.
And you play the answer. And this is the right answer. Now play the next image. If you know the answer, give within 30 seconds. Speak in mic. Srinivas Ramanujan. So this is the right answer of this image. In 30 seconds, you give the answer.
20 seconds.
Now play the answer of this question. this personality is known as the Visvesvaraya, famous mechanical engineer. This is the famous mechanical engineer of the India, not the world history. This is the Indian scientist. Now play the second image. These are all the Indian scientists. The name of this personality, Homi Jahangir Bhabha. And Bhabha Atomic Research Center is also based on this particular name. And that particular personality is Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Now the question number next from the team C, play the image. Vikram Sarabhai. The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Don't play the right answer. I am giving the next chance. Jawaharlal Nehru is not the scientist. Team A. This question for the team A. Play the answer. The right answer is here the next image. Play the answer. The answer is also right. Play the next image. Identify the image.
Sonia Gandhi.
Play the answer. And the fourth question, play the image. Play the answer. Rahul Gandhi. Play the answer of this man. The answer is Amisa. After the first round and all the rounds, round 1, round 2, round 3 and round 4, the total score is 95 marks. And the next one, the total score of team B is also 95 marks. Both are on same position. And the team C, the total and the highest score is 130. Now the score of team D is 60 marks. What is the value of capital G? Which team press the buzzer first? What is the answer of, what is the value of capital G? Yes.
653 to the power minus 1.
Okay. Team B, you want to give the answer? Yes.
So 6.67 to 10 raised to the minus 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square.
This is the right answer.